Imagine a team where artificial intelligence doesn't replace human skills but amplifies them. In the digital era, collaborative intelligence is the key to taking productivity and innovation to the next level. Want to learn how to make it happen? Collaborative intelligence, combined with artificial intelligence, has become a powerful tool to maximize the potential of teams in today's business environment. While AI excels at processing large volumes of data and automating tasks, collaborative intelligence focuses on how humans can work together more effectively, leveraging technology to enhance decision-making, creativity, and innovation. The concept of collaborative intelligence is based on the idea that the knowledge and skills of a group are much more powerful than the sum of individual parts. When people work together, their capabilities complement one another, and the results can be exponentially better. By introducing AI into this equation, it's not about replacing humans, but rather amplifying their skills, optimizing workflow, and providing access to tools that allow for deeper, faster analysis of information. AI can handle routine and repetitive tasks, freeing teams to focus on solving complex problems, strategy, and innovation. However, what truly makes this combination powerful is the synergy between human abilities and technological capabilities. Human teams bring empathy, creativity, and contextual judgment, while AI offers precision, speed, and massive analytical capacity. Together, these forces create an environment where companies can be more agile and effective in an increasingly competitive world. A key example of how to maximize your team's potential with collaborative intelligence is integrating AI-powered tools into the decision-making process. Teams can use predictive models to evaluate multiple scenarios and make more informed decisions. Moreover, AI-powered collaborative platforms enable team members to work remotely, share knowledge, and optimize resources, regardless of geographic barriers. In short, collaborative intelligence, complemented by AI, not only improves team efficiency but also drives innovation and adaptability in times of change. It's a combination that every business leader should consider to take their team to the next level. If you want to take your team to the next level and stay at the forefront of digital transformation, join our global community of leaders. Together, we'll explore how collaborative intelligence and artificial intelligence can transform your business. Let's connect and keep building the future together.